Imagine having the freedom to leave the city behind, explore open roads, wake up beside a lake, and still enjoy the comfort of a premium home on wheels. That is exactly where the 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB comes into the picture. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of Airstream's most interesting compact travel trailers, the 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB. It may be relatively small compared with larger luxury RVs, but the big question is simple: how much comfort and capability can Airstream really fit into a trailer of this size? The 22FB measures about 21 feet 11 inches in exterior length and 8 feet in width. With the air conditioning unit installed, its exterior height is approximately 9 feet 5 inches. Inside, you get about 7 feet 7 inches of interior width and 6 feet 4 inches of interior height. These dimensions make the Bambi compact enough for travelers who want a manageable trailer without giving up the essentials. And visually, this is where the Bambi immediately gets attention. The polished aluminum exterior carries the unmistakable Airstream identity. Instead of looking like an ordinary box-shaped camper, the Bambi has that rounded, aerodynamic profile that has become one of the most recognizable designs in the travel trailer world. The 2026 model also comes with features designed for practical outdoor use, including a manual zip-D patio awning, exterior shower with hot and cold water, powered hitch jack, stabilizer jacks, stylized aluminum wheels, a full-size spare tire, and a backup camera with audio transmitted to a wireless monitor. But the real surprise begins when you step inside. The 22FB is designed around efficient use of space. At the front is a dedicated bed measuring approximately 54 by 80 inches. That means two people can have a proper sleeping area without needing to transform the main living space every night. There is also a convertible dinette that can function as a lounge and then transform into additional sleeping accommodation measuring about 39 by 74 inches. Because of this flexible layout, the Bambi 22FB is rated to sleep up to 4 people. And this is one of the strongest points of the Bambi: it doesn't feel like Airstream simply made a trailer smaller. Instead, the company has tried to make every section serve multiple purposes. The kitchen is compact, but it includes the equipment you would expect for a real camping trip. There is a 2-burner LP gas stove with a hinged glass lid, a stainless steel sink, a microwave, a 12-volt electric refrigerator with freezer, and practical storage throughout the galley area. For a couple traveling for several days or even longer, this setup can make a major difference. You can prepare breakfast before heading out for a hike, make dinner after a long day on the road, and keep drinks and food cold without relying entirely on restaurants or campground facilities. The interior design is also very much in the Airstream tradition. You get aluminum interior walls and ceiling, handcrafted laminated cabinetry, overhead storage with tambour doors, LED interior lighting with dimming, USB-A and USB-C charging ports, roller shades, and panoramic front windows with blackout shades. Those front windows are particularly important because they help bring natural light into the compact interior and give the front living area a much more open feeling. The 22FB also includes 9 interior windows and skylights according to Airstream's 2026 specifications, helping the cabin feel brighter during the day. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of any travel trailer: the bathroom. The Bambi 22FB provides a dedicated onboard bathroom, rather than forcing travelers to depend completely on campground facilities. It includes a toilet, sink, shower, removable handheld shower head, roof vent and fan, towel storage, and a retractable clothes line in the shower. That may sound like a small detail, but when you're traveling, having your own bathroom available at any time can dramatically improve the experience. Another important area is climate control. The 2026 Bambi 22FB features a 13,500 BTU air conditioning system with heat pump capability and an 18,000 BTU ducted furnace. This gives the trailer the ability to remain comfortable across different weather conditions, although actual performance will depend on outside temperature, insulation, power availability, and how the trailer is being used. Airstream has also equipped the Bambi with a tankless on-demand LP water heater, insulated and heated tanks, and an enclosed heated underbelly. These are the kinds of features that become especially valuable when you're camping in changing weather. Now let's talk about something that could make or break a buying decision: weight and capacity. The 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB has a listed base weight of approximately 3,850 pounds with LP and batteries, while the listed hitch weight is about 525 pounds. Its maximum gross vehicle weight rating is 5,000 pounds, giving it a listed cargo capacity of around 1,150 pounds. That means buyers still need to choose their tow vehicle carefully. Trailer weight isn't the only number that matters. You also need to consider the tow vehicle's maximum towing capacity, payload rating, hitch limits, passengers, cargo and the actual loaded weight of the trailer. For water capacity, the 22FB is listed with a 23-gallon freshwater tank, a 30-gallon gray water tank and a 17-gallon wastewater tank. There is also a 4.1 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator with freezer, a 30-amp electrical system, and a variety of power and connectivity features. For travelers who want more independence away from electrical hookups, the 2026 Bambi offers solar options. A 200-watt solar charging system is available, along with an optional 2.5 kWh heated lithium battery system with remote monitoring when the solar option is selected. And that's where the Bambi becomes particularly interesting. This isn't simply a luxury object designed to sit at a campground. It's designed around the idea that you can take a relatively compact trailer and create a comfortable base camp almost anywhere your route takes you. Picture this: you leave early in the morning, tow the Bambi toward the mountains, arrive at your campsite, level the trailer, extend the awning, and within a short time you have a comfortable living space, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom ready to use. Later that evening, you can sit inside the dinette area, prepare dinner, charge your devices, watch TV, and enjoy the scenery through those large windows. Then, when it's time to sleep, you don't need to pack everything away just to create a bed. The dedicated front sleeping area is already there. That combination of mobility and comfort is arguably the biggest reason why the Bambi 22FB stands out. Of course, it isn't perfect. The biggest compromise is space. A 22-foot trailer simply cannot provide the same interior volume as a much larger Airstream. If you're traveling with 4 adults for extended periods, the compact layout may feel tight. Storage also needs to be managed intelligently. You have useful cabinets and under-bed storage, but you still need to avoid bringing unnecessary equipment. And because this is a premium Airstream product, potential buyers should also consider the price. Actual transaction prices can vary significantly depending on dealer, options, packages, destination charges and promotions. One 2026 Bambi 22FB dealer listing we found showed a retail price of $75,831, illustrating that pricing can vary and should be checked with the dealer for the exact configuration. So, who is the 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB really for? It makes the most sense for couples, small families, weekend adventurers, road trippers and travelers who want a premium camping experience without moving into a huge motorhome or large multi-axle trailer. It's also attractive for people who value design. Because let's be honest, part of the Airstream experience isn't just about getting from one campsite to another. It's about the feeling you get when you arrive. The iconic aluminum exterior, carefully designed interior, compact footprint and practical technology all come together to create something that feels more like a premium travel cabin than a traditional camper. So, is the 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB worth considering? If your priority is maximum interior space for the lowest possible price, there are certainly larger and less expensive trailers available. But if your priority is a combination of iconic design, premium construction, dedicated sleeping space, onboard bathroom, practical kitchen, modern technology and a relatively compact footprint, the Bambi 22FB becomes a very compelling option. It proves that you don't necessarily need a massive RV to enjoy a serious road trip lifestyle. Sometimes, all you need is a smartly designed trailer, a capable tow vehicle, a destination in mind, and the freedom to take the next exit and see where the road leads. The 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB may be compact, but it packs a surprising amount of comfort into its nearly 22-foot footprint. And that may be its greatest strength. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more new RVs, travel trailers, luxury vehicles and future models. And now, the question is, would you choose the compact Bambi 22FB for your next adventure, or would you step up to a larger Airstream? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.